Now set up. I'm into batch exchange of chemicals. My company's name is Global Synthetic Solution. And I was interested in this phenomenon called 3D printing for a very long time. And I was thinking that I'll buy this machine, but I was not very sure what will I do if I'm not aware of the basics of it. Then I came across this post of Labdox, and I was really I got interested in this thing, and I approached, and I'm here today, and I'm very happy I attended this course. It is very good point to start and understand about 3D printing. It's basic, and from here, you can take it further all the way more shape and bring 3D printing in your career. Labdox is doing the really great thing by introducing 3D printing to India. It will be a great value to give me a great response.